This is my childhood bedroom.
I don't know. I like the possibilities, but this one's gonna need a lot of work.
Yeah.
Don't try this at home.
This is going on Rusty Judgment.
Yeah.
Welcome back to Rusty Judgment. We are not working on another house right now. We are actually looking at another house right now. We're looking at a house for the south lot, the lot that is next door to the lot we're putting the house on, or that we've put the house on at this moment in time. And why wouldn't you go and look for a second house before you're done with the first house? We are out looking at a house that's already been picked up and off the foundation. It's in a new development. And so I'm imagining that this place is getting moved out of here so that they can put a couple more new houses on this piece of ground, but we don't really know. So we're gonna hop up inside it and check it out and see if it's worth buying.
And what we've heard about this house already is that the roof leaks and there's been some damage inside.
Yeah,
so it might need a little bit of work.
Yeah, the movers said, yeah, why don't you go look at that house? It's a split level. A split level would be really good for that lot you got, which we agree. But they're like, yeah, but the house is gonna need a roof before it goes onto your lot. They're like, because I told them we're looking at maybe springtime next year to be ready for this second house. And they're like, yeah, you don't want a roof on it immediately. I'm guessing it needs more than a roof. Okay.
So people ask a lot why these houses get moved out.
So here's a new school over here. New developments all around, and then behind us is all new houses too. So this is the last piece of ground here in this area that was a bigger piece of land with an old house. So I'm assuming this is getting moved off here so they can put probably 4 more houses here.
Yeah.
Be my guess.
Mm-hmm. Now the fun part, figuring out how to get in.
It actually looks like a fairly good sized house. I think they said this is about the same size as our other one.
Okay.
But just standing here, it looks bigger. It looks longer.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's funny to see here because it's a split level. So as you're looking at this half door thing, that's because half of the walls are gone because they take from the floor joists up.
Yeah.
So the walls and then the below basement all got trashed. It looks like it wasn't that hole over there. It looks like the basement's been removed and totally gone now. It's just a dirt hole. And so let's hop up inside and see what the layout and the damage to this place is.
Yep.
All right, so it's all wood siding.
Mm-hmm.
This is it's gotta be wood, but it's a stucco finish on it.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a press board something.
But it has big overhang, so it looks like it's been fairly protected.
Yeah, and I think the siding, we could just, I don't think the exterior needs to be refinished. We'll paint it and make it cute and stuff like that, but I don't think it, as far as from this front wall that we've seen so far, I think the exterior is fine.
Yep. You just walk right in.
I don't know that you just walk right in. We got a hippity hop up there.
Yep.
Oh wow, this is really nice and wide open. Oh, we got some drywall damage already. This is way bigger than our house.
It feels a lot bigger than the other one on the north lot too.
Well, we're hiked up on this hillside right now. We got big windows all around. This is wide open.
Yeah.
I need to get rid of this stuff.
Yeah, it'd be really easy to open the kitchen up like everybody wants.
We got a split ceiling already.
What's over there? Oh, okay. So they were coming in through here. Which isn't so bad because that's always the problem with split levels, right? Is you have to come in through the basement or somewhere else, and then that's kind of convenient.
I'm thinking about the location on that lot. So the driveway would be up there. Mm-hmm. You could probably put a garage here. Well, so because we got a window here, you want to keep the window. Yep. So you could probably set the garage back so the front of your garage is down over here. Mm-hmm. Attach it and then build a thing around the backside, extend the roof so that your garage access is here. The staircase to the garage is around there.
Yeah. And it doesn't, this living room is gigantic because you still have your dining area over there.
Yeah.
This is
This is a good layout.
Yeah. So what do you think that discoloration on the soffit in there is?
Is it discoloration or is it from the light reflecting off these?
I think it's just, I see some shadows, but I see some.
No idea.
Huh.
Couldn't tell you.
So
Wow.
the kitchen, I mean, you try to keep the cabinets, right?
Yeah, we just paint them.
Yeah, or leave them, clean them up, put some new counters in maybe and appliances.
This thing is
That's always the hard part, right? That line between what can you salvage and what.
I think you'd paint them. The countertops are broken.
Yeah.
I think you'd throw countertops in it, throw some nicer appliances in it, flooring, and paint the cabinets.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, yeah. This looks like maybe there was a dishwasher leak or something.
Yeah.
This floor is kind of uneven.
Well, look at it. So that's what I was thinking too. But look at it. It's all mismatched. We got some plywood. We got some like chipboard junk. This is the worst because it sucks in the moisture and then it expands.
Yeah, it gets
and
all
then
wavy.
It gets squishy.
Okay.
But then you got like plywood over here. And then down over here is the same thing. So I think you'd probably try and, I hate to say it, but resheet the flooring.
Okay. Yeah, it would.
Because the
It'd
walls
feel
are
more
built
level.
on top of it. That's the bummer.
Okay.
So the way you build a house is joists, sheet the whole thing, then build on top.
Mm-hmm. But if you were gonna take out like this pony wall and stuff, anyways, you're gonna have.
Yeah, you'd resheet it all.
Yeah.
Well, and look at all like the weird mismatches and stuff. I wonder what that's about.
Yeah, it makes you wonder if there was damage at some point that they had to.
Yeah, no, this you get rid of this to there. That would all go.
Yeah. Yeah, then it really would be nice and wide and open.
Oh, let's find the damage from the roof.
Yeah.
It's like it's soft right here.
Yeah, it looks like there was some water came out there at some point.
Spongy.
Okay.
Oh, this bathroom sucks. Oh, yuck. Yeah, this bathroom needs to be 100% gutted.
Ew. Yeah, they had some hard water. Wow. Oh, yeah. Wow. Okay. Gross.
Yeah, this
Is there a, what's in here? Is there a chimney or something that there's this?
It must be, but this bathroom's a gut job, so who cares what's in there? It's all getting trashed.
Yeah.
Oh, I hate when doors are closed. What hides behind the door?
Oh, so there's some patched sheetrock in here too.
Yeah, I don't know I don't know what's going on.
Yeah. It's kind of
This
strange.
door must have leaked because it's different flooring there.
Yeah, it's kind of interesting that there's a patio door in here.
Well, there you can see the basement, where the.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's gutted. There's no block or anything left. It's just dirt, but that's where you see
Yeah.
the idea. Yeah, this.
You probably just leave this.
What?
Leave the drawers and the whatever.
I was gonna
Oh,
say,
there's not, Tom. There's not a closet in
No,
this
no,
room.
that's what I was gonna say. I would say no. I would say you yank it because from what we've seen so far, there's enough drywall work that you just frame in a closet and have the tape and mud guy just finish that out too.
Got it.
And then it's a legal bedroom.
How the ceilings feel kind of tall in here.
Yeah, they're probably 8.5
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
or 8.
It feels pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, which ceiling height changes everything.
Do we know what year this house was built?
Not a clue.
Okay. So there's 3 bedrooms up here. Wow, they got some nice colors going on. Yeah, again, that's so strange that the closet door has went all the way to the ceiling. Oh no.
All right, here's the roof damage.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. All right, this room needs to be gutted. We got damage here, damage there. Holes in the wall here. Yeah, this room's a total gut job. Oh, they punched out all those too. Yeah. Yeah. So we gut this room. This room. This one
Ooh,
looks
that's
fine.
blue. This might be the only room that doesn't need anything done to it.
Well, it needs paint, flooring, and trim. But
Yeah.
This is my childhood bedroom.
The size
So
or
I
color?
no, everything about it.
Okay.
I grew up in a split level just like this.
Okay.
That was my parents' room as a kid. This was my sister's room. The only difference was right here.
Yeah.
The hallway continued and the garage was on that end.
Okay.
But yeah, that was my room. And then when I got older, that became my room.
Okay.
And then my parents were downstairs. Well, this is so funny. It's kind of like my childhood house. Yeah, so there's a plywood floor under here. This is a second sheeting on top of it.
Oh.
That is interesting. This only looks like half inch. Half inch and half inch.
What are you supposed to have for a subfloor?
I mean, people do all kinds of different things. I would prefer 3/4 in plywood, not any other silly material.
Yeah.
All right, so it looks like we got 2x10 floor joists. There's a small beam down there. Oh, this is low to the ground. I thought I could crawl under it easier. So the furnace must have been right here, judging by where the ducting stops.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, so they got a small header down there, so the two, well, that was garage, so that was wide open. This must have been another family room.
Yeah,
we don't know because
like
the basement's already gone.
Yeah.
But there must have been, so if, again, and going back to my childhood house,
Yeah.
if this was the layout of my childhood house, mechanicals would have been here with another full bathroom.
Okay.
That would be a living room. And then, well, this was a tuck under, but
Yeah,
we
you
could
don't
probably
have
put
it.
2 bedrooms over here.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really matter what it was before, right? We
Right.
can
Well,
configure it how
actually,
we want. Put
so there's 3
bedrooms down
bedrooms up and a bathroom on that end of the house.
Yeah.
So if we did a bathroom and 2 bedrooms, they'd be
Yeah.
big bedrooms.
Yeah, and you could still have a really nice size
Well, yeah,
family room down here.
The family room would be humongous.
Yeah. No, I feel
Because
like
there's no kitchen.
yeah, no, I feel like
Downstairs.
I feel like the square footage would be used really well in this house.
Yeah.
It would feel really nice. So.
Yeah.
Okay.
All
Let's
right,
go
well,
look at
let's
the
go
holes
look at the
if we-
rest of the outside and then
Yeah.
the hall, yeah. Yeah, this one definitely need a lot more work than that other house.
Yeah.
That other house is actually really nice.
Yeah, but I feel like this one has more potential when it's done.
Yeah, and it's a split level is what that lot needs.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
So over here is where the
Where it came from.
basement was. I don't know if we're gonna get many clues about the layout.
So here's driveway. The driveway came up and that, like Dawn said, that was a tuck under garage. And then this half was living space.
Yeah.
But
And then you can kind of see the elevation at the front here was pretty low, so they could
Yeah.
have nice windows on the front.
yeah.
So
Which is ours, so ours in that other lot, it wouldn't be quite like this. It would be low all around. So you'd have, well, which would be beautiful, you'd have windows all around.
yeah. I don't know. I like the possibilities, but this one's gonna need a lot of work.
Yeah.
How far are they willing to budge on?
Yeah, the number they threw out was not much lower than the house we already bought. And I was
It didn't seem to reflect the work that needs to be done. So
so we'll see. See if I can negotiate them down or just not at all.
I think from down here, can you see kind of a hole in the roof where that was?
Oh yeah, but that hole in the roof is way up high.
Yeah, no, but that if you think about where that one spot coming down into that bedroom was,
Oh yeah, true.
yeah, I wonder what caused that though.
I don't know.
But I mean, it seems like a fairly easy fix, right? A new roof should just
Well,
take care of all that, or what?
It all depends how much damage is in the. I mean, odds are it's going to need a few new pieces of sheeting.
Yeah.
But did it destroy did it damage the trusses? The trusses are the big concern.
Oh, okay.
But there's no like big dip. There's no dip in it.
Okay,
so
it's not sagging or anything.
That would allude to the truss not being totally shot if it's damaged.
Okay, so that's good.
But yeah, I mean, odds are like best case scenario would be that you need to strip the roof, resheet a few sections of it, and then call it good, and then just put a
Okay.
new roof on.
Okay.
Which it's an easy roof. This is the simplest roof to
Yeah.
redo. Like it's straight. There's nothing to it.
Especially if we do it's lower on the ground like this on the
Yeah,
beams.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
So the garage, we would recess it back. It wouldn't be. A lot of times the garages stick out in front of the house. We'd bring
Or
it back.
straight off the end. Yeah.
So it would. The front of it would start behind that window because
Okay.
that's the road. So you'd start the garage behind that window, and then the roof line would. I think you'd go this way with it.
Yeah. To kind of
But
match
then
it.
you'd make it so that, because this would be a story and a half up, so you'd have 5 feet down to the ground in the back.
Okay.
Well, we'd bring the elevation around here up.
Yeah.
Around the back side of the garage, so that and the garage would probably be raised from where that elevation is. Am I confusing everyone?
Yeah, that was pretty confusing.
Okay,
so
cool. Well, I
the
understood
garage
what I
would
meant.
kind of split the difference between the two levels of the house, right?
Right, because you'd still end up having probably 3 steps from the
up
garage
to the
floor up into the house.
Yep.
And then we would build it detached,
Mm-hmm.
like the other one, but we would build it in a way where it could be attached down the road.
Okay.
Because for rental purposes, we want them detached for insurance.
Yep.
But then if we ever decide we want to sell any of these houses down the road, I think you'd get more money for the properties with an attached garage.
Yeah, especially
so
in
that then
Minnesota.
we could attach them before we would sell them, if that would be what we would do.
Yep. Okay.
I just don't want to shoot ourselves in the foot and not
Right.
be able to attach a garage.
Yep. I think that sounds good.
Yeah.
I would say normally I'm the one with the rosy glasses of like, we could make it so nice. And I'm kind of like, yeah, this one's a lot of work. And Tom's like, oh, we can do it.
Well, hold on. No, I'm thinking this one's a lot of work. And for the money they're asking for it, no.
Okay.
That's my feelings.
Yeah. If we could
get it for
down a little
like
bit.
a third less than what they're asking or more,
Yeah.
I'd be more interested. Right
Okay.
now I'm like, man, it's a cute layout. Like it's a nice layout. I think it would work good on that lot.
Yeah, it's the ideal house for that lot.
And I think it would feel nice to just have a house already for that lot and not have to,
Keep
because
looking
these,
at 'em.
for whatever reason, like the last 2 years, the houses they've been getting are a lot harder to come by.
Mhm.
And so it would be nice to not have to compete with anyone for a house.
Yeah.
And it would be nice to get it for way less than what they want.
And we did talk about in a different video, we answered a lot of questions about comparing like building a house versus moving it in. So we can link to that video too, where we kind of talked about our logic about, well, would it be cheaper just to build a house? So
Yeah, the other thing we like too about this is we're recycling a house that would normally be dumpstered.
yep.
So
And so far no one else wants it. So
that means
is it
it's
our
a
job
piece
to
of
save
junk.
this house? Or is that just
Yeah.
foolishness?
Well, so why don't we do this? I will call them and talk to them and see if I can't hardball them on the price.
Okay.
And then I'll probably just, if he just declines, I'll just get off the phone, and then maybe we'll try again in a week or two.
I was gonna say we're gonna take that as a sign and walk away.
No.
Okay.
It's,
All right. Well, we'll see what you
it's
can
like
do.
a ice chunk. You just chisel at the ice a little bit.
The only thing going for us too is it's the end of the season. Like it's
Yes.
cold here now, and so fewer people are in the market for these houses.
Yes.
But it would get stored on their storage lot then until we're ready for it next year. So
Yes.
all right, we'll see.
Yeah, hey Paul. Yeah, say it's Tom. My wife and I, we just got done looking at that house that you wanted me to go look at up on Beams at split level. Yeah. Hold on. This is awesome. I'm so excited. So, remind me again, what did you guys want for that house? Oh, okay. You know, no, I'm interested. Do you really think that this is the best idea to start another project right now? Shh, he's on the phone. I mean, would you take like, wait, don't do that yet. Oh, okay. Oh, 3. Yes. Are you sure? Yeah, that'll be all right. Okay. Yeah, no, I mean, we can come sign the contract, yeah. Okay. All right, well, sounds good. Yep. Yeah, thanks, Paul. All right. Yeah, bye. You know what that means, right? What we gotta do now is we gotta do another basement. We gotta do another septic, new permits. Ooh, permitting. You remember how much fun the permitting was? Have you done a cost analysis on what that property is gonna cost all in? Uh-huh. Have you confirmed that you can get permits for that property? Do you really think that this is the best idea to start another project right now? I just told him I would take it. I'm so excited. Ooh, can I tell Dawn? Dawn!